Hi! I'm super excited to announce that we're going to be choosing 2 scholarship recipients end of September. One will be under 17 category and the other will be 18 and up. The format changed a little bit, so make sure to check out our website. Under in-person classes, all the way to the bottom, there's a scholarship section. We added 2 parts. You will submit one hand sketch profile view of a shoe that you wish to make in class in black and white or in color. You can take a photo of it and submit the files through our Google Forms. We don't want you to take a screenshot of a shoe from another brand to tell me that that's what you want to make. Second part that's new is to submit a 2-minute video about yourself and why you want to learn shoemaking at Brooklyn Shoe Space. Explain a bit about the design of the shoes you wish to make in class, and so forth, made for either YouTube or Instagram or TikTok. You'll copy the link to paste it into the application form. The Google application form looks like this. It'll take maybe 2 minutes. You can upload a photo or PDF of your sketch, insert the link to your video. For those of you who've already submitted their applications in the past, are still up for running. But if you wish to show your passion, apply again and with new requirements. We don't judge you for your sketching skills, so don't worry about that. And then we'll announce the winners in mid-September. So I hope to see all of your applications.